Right, hello, this is a quick little video, all how to do step 2 for your internal, which is the written analysis. So I will quickly share a screen, and we're sharing this, and so we're going to photography, and it's right down the bottom. So this is on Google Classroom, and here's all the examples. All right, so we're going to, you've done step 1 already. We're going to look at this. And you've already got the picture of the artist, and you've done step 1, which is write down the answers to those questions. Now step 2 is right here. This is a visual analysis, and we'll go through that really quickly on what to do. So I'm going to share the screen again. Step 2 is when you do a visual analysis. But first we have to talk about what is a visual analysis. So I showed you this all at the start of the year, where if you look away and then look at the screen and your eye goes to a circle, your eye will flick to another circle. You look away and look back at the screen, see a square, and your eye will flick to another square. It's just what it does. Your brain's trying to work out what the picture is. So you can just try that, see how that does. Now, your brain does that exactly with the picture, and the brain does that with also with color. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to attempt to use paint here. Here we go. So we've got some red, fill in some red. I'll try to get this bigger so it doesn't take forever to do. Here we go. So if you have a bit of red there, like that, and you look away, and then look at a bit of red, your eye will flick to another piece of red. Okay, so that's how that works. So I'll stop sharing it on. And I will share this one, which is your step 2. So what you've done is you've got a picture of your artist model already, and I showed you that. And then this is all you need. You just need a very, very quick sketch, because the detail is not in the sketch, right? I don't want you spending forever in the sketch. This is all the shapes you need for the sketch, because the detail is you're going to be writing notes on here. You can probably even write it on here in Paint. So you're writing notes on here, blah, 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 and then putting a little arrow down to here, and we're going to talk about those things. So we've just looked at, and I showed you how those things at the start of the year, how they work with how the brain works. So let's have a look at this picture. You can see here, there's some red here, and this person had to put red somewhere else. So your eye goes backwards and forwards. Your eye is quite literally looking at one piece of red, flicking to another one, going backwards and forwards. You can see that they've got this horrible orangey green around here. And they've on purpose had to cut a hole in here. So there is a gap over here, and your eye will flick backwards and forward for that. And what's happening is we're getting tricked into looking at this picture for longer. We've got dark on this side, dark on that side, the greeny color here, red here, red here. There's all these things that are happening inside the picture, and that's called a visual analysis. So you're writing notes around here, explaining all those things, putting all arrows on here, blah, blah, blah. That is step 2. Okay, the visual analysis. I will probably not do step 3, just because it's so self-explanatory. But if you think you need it, then ask me. Thank you, thank you, thank you.